It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku right here, and in today's video, we are going to learn step by step on how to create hyper-realistic images like this using Stylar AI for free step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are already new to this channel and you love AI content with free prompts like this, consider to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to create these beautiful hyper-realistic images like this using Stylar AI for free step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's
welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you open your browser and then you come to the address bar right here and type in www.stylar.ai. So you can see the URL right here and press enter key on your keyboard. Alright, so before we can use these AI tools to generate anything, we have to create a free account with the website. If you have an account with them before, what you want to do is to just click on sign in. But if you don't have an account with them, you can click on sign up right here, or you come down here, click on sign up. Then there are two options by which you can use to sign up. You can easily continue with your Google account, or you enter your email and your password and agree with terms of service. But I'm going to use my Google account, so continue with my Google account. Then choose your Google account. Having chosen your Google account, it's going to ask you some few questions, so you need to just answer this. A few questions can help you know more better. So I am just click on that and then choose what profession that describe you. Okay, I'm a business owner. Then general work on, so you have to tell them what exactly you are. So I'm a graphic designer or visual designer. Just choose the one that are related to your feed. Then come here, I hear Stylar from, that is the reference. So you hear it from YouTube or from Facebook, Instagram or Twitter or Product Art AI Director. So just choose any one right here. Then click on start creating. So account has been successfully set up, so it takes you back to the home page. Welcome back, friends. So after creating a free account with Stylar AI, the next thing you want to do is to come here, make sure you click on new projects. Then it takes you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on text to image. Then you have to come to the colon right here and type in your prompt. So I'm going to paste my prompt right here. You can also check the description of this video to get this particular tutorial prompt. Then make sure you choose your style right here. I'm going to leave it in realistic style. Next thing I'm going to do is to come down below here. I'm going to click on stylize. So take a look at the beautiful result right here. Okay. Well, what we want to do now is that we can decide to download all these 4 images right here. So for us to download them, just click on the image, then select the second one, select the third one, and select the fourth one. Then the next thing you want to do, make sure you click on place on canvas right here. Click on place on canvas. So you're going to have all the 4 images just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here. Make sure you click on export. Then choose your file type. Make sure you select JPEG. Then make sure you click on export all layers. Then click on export 4 pics. So the image has been successfully downloaded in a zip folder. Next thing we want to do, we can easily go back from here. Then we can twist the prompt. So we just need to click on new project, then text to image. So this time around, we can try to make it in 3D format. So we can click on choose style right here. Then we look for 3D style. So make sure you choose creamy style, creamy 3D style. Then we'll come here, I'll paste my prompt right here. So we can work on this particular prompt. I will change this from little girl to boy. Then I'll make sure I click on, I'll make sure I intensify the result. Then I come down below right here, I click on sterilize. So take a look at the beautiful images result we have right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on this I will make sure I select on this. I will select this and select this. Then I'll come down below here. I will make sure I click on place on Canva. Then I'll come to the top right here. I will make sure I click on export. Then I will select my file type to be JPEG. Then I'll make sure I export all four. Then export 4 pics. So it has been successful download in a zip folder. So this is how to create hyper-realistic images using Stylar AI for free step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also for the prompt of this particular tutorial, consider to check the description of this video. And lastly but not the least, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more free AI content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.